Hello loves, welcome to Unique Mix by Christina. Today I have a TEMU haul to share with you. So let's go ahead and check out what I bought. Okay, the first thing I want to share are these fabric flowers. Now this is going to be a small little haul, a springish type haul. But I went ahead and got some fabric flowers. See how cute these are. Look at that. And you could, I got this for embellishments, but look at those. It even has the little pearl. And then you could add a little circle back if you wanted to. Like a paper circle, so you could add it to your embellishment, or you could just go ahead and glue it. So I got the gold color. I got some of those. Next thing I hauled is I got some appliques. Now I do love my appliques. Look at these, and these come in an orange flower. You get this in a pink one, the yellow, that, how pretty are these? These are cute. And I also got these to add to embellishments. There's also purple, look at that. And there is a white one. They're really pretty. Those are really, really pretty. So I got some of those. And then I also hauled this type of yarn, and this is like a, I got this for texture. Oh, look at that. This kind of reminds me of strawberries. So that's why I got that. And you get a good chunk of it. Look at that. How pretty is that? Real nice. And they have different colors of this. I went ahead and got this one. And I like that for texture. And then I also hauled another color. This one is like the green and pink. Look at that. How nice is that? Look at that. I like how it's messy. I do like messy, a messy look. Like I said, you do get a ton of that. Look at that. So I also hauled that one. And I believe these were, might have been the same shop. Okay, the next thing I hauled is these little cute sheep. Look at that. And they are, yeah, they are, it's made out of acrylic, and they are charms because they do have the hole. I thought this would be a cutie patootie to use as a crafting project. And they also have it in the black. The white face, how cute are those? If you make jewelry, those would be great for jewelry. And it looks like you get 2 of each. And this one is the pink one. Look at that. Real nice. Love, love, love. Yeah, so you get 2 of each. And then I did haul this little cute envelope. It looks like a tag die. Well, it's not really. Well, they do got little hose so that you could actually clip it to something. But I got those. And they are tiny, which I knew it would be. I got that one. And then the next die I hauled is this one here. Now I've been hauling a lot of these little envelopes, and this is a different style. This main piece is the envelope, and this one does come with a postcard. It does have a thing for little stamps. You have 2 for stamps. You even got the little wax melt, and you do have a little heart. Look at that. I thought that would be super cute to use. Oh, look at these. These are also flowers. And when I saw these, they were super cute. And actually, now that I have them, they're even cuter. But look at that. And it does have the centerpiece on there. You do have the felt circle in the back. But I also got these for embellishments. Wow, I love these. This is real nice. So you get this in blue. You do get it in, what's that color? Rose gold. I did get one black one. This one does have a red one. A yellow. A peach. And a dark pink. It does come with a gray, a pink, a cream, a white, and this one's in a lighter pink. So you get 1 color each, which is nice. Love these. Real nice. Love, love, love. This is going to be a rebuy, so I gotta get some more of those. I got those. Okay, another thing I hauled are these little centerpieces, and I've hauled some other ones, I believe from She. These ones are actually a little smaller. Love those. These would be nice to put in your paper flowers. Look at that. And then you do get quite a bit of them. Look at these. So I got another bag of flowers, and this one's in pink. How pretty are those? I love the pink pearls with the gold trim. Love, love, love. So there's another bag of that. Which I think they also have more colors, which I might have to grab. And check these flowers. These are fake flower buds. So they do have the backs, but I will cut those off so I can use this on embellishments. But you do get a bag full of these. Look at all the colors. All that spring and summer. Beautiful. And I also got this bag in purple. Look at these. These are real pretty. Now I'm going to have to get more colors. I got those. And then I also got those in blue. Look at that. Those are real nice. These are real nice. Love those. Check these out. I also hold some flip-flop charms. This is actually like a, almost like a, no, I don't want to say rubber, but almost feels like an eraser. But look how cute these are. You get the purple and the green. And you do get another blue color in here. Take them all out. But look at the flip-flops. I love me some flip-flops. So I got that. I saw those. These were actually cuter than I thought. I thought it was a hard plastic. So I got those. And then I did get some more. These are like Crocs. And these are flat backs. But they're thick enough to make into charms. But look at that. And I know they do have these in charms already. Now look at those. How cute are those? Love, love, love. And you get a good amount of them in here. I did get another envelope die, and this one's got a small postcard in the middle of it. I got that one. I really love the small envelopes. And the last thing I hauled is this flower trim. Now they do have these in like orange and white, I believe. They got a blue one. They got different colors. But I got that one because I've hauled these before. And I didn't have this color, so I got that. But yeah, that is pretty much my little haul I wanted to share with you guys. A lot of this one had a lot of flowers, which I found to be really, really pretty. Like that purple one. Oh, I love those. But yeah, I'll have all the links below if they're available, so that you can go ahead and grab some of yours for yourself and have fun crafting like I do. Leave a comment below. Let me know what's your favorite. I think my favorite actually are these. These are real pretty. Those are real pretty. I'm gonna have to buy some more. Actually, the flowers are pretty. But yeah, make sure you subscribe if you haven't and hit the notifications so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.